Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Wow, people. Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. And I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that everyone are alright. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show two persons that are doing a thing that some people within the country of Jamaica call Bible and key. Now, some people might call some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video obia, and some people might call some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video voodoo. Probably other things as well. So I say, now, Bible and key is a thing that some people sometimes do in order to get answers, like if someone stole something or if someone did something. Is what I say, and based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, viewers and subscribers, I would like you to tell me if you think Bible and key really work. Yeah, and I want to say this to each and every one. Please do not try this at home. Please do not try this at home, because I do not know if this thing that is known as Bible and key can be a bad thing for you. You understand? I don't know. So please do not try this at home. I wouldn't recommend anyone to try this at home because I don't understand it totally. You understand? And please bear in mind that in this video you can hear at least one harsh language. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think.
Okay, so I know what me about. I make a lot of these. Hold on.
Where your pet name?
By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a Keisha Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a Keisha Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a Keisha Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got Keisha Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a Keisha Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a Keisha Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a Wayne Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a Wayne Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a Tassie Stabopian phone. By St. Peter, by St. Paul, surely me got a...
You saw me talk about my people? You saw me talk about? Yeah? In my point of view, you know, I think that something like that take nerves, you know, to hold your finger like this and hold up the key like with the Bible somehow there to the key, and trust me, as I say, and I assume that after a person or persons say certain things and then the Bible and the key spin, then whatsoever then says seems to be the answer. You understand? I assume. You see, it's not like me is no professional when it comes down to this thing. Yes, I say, and I wouldn't encourage anyone to do something like this because I don't know if there's a dangerous part to it. I don't know. You understand? But the people, based on some things that you saw and heard in the video, tell me if you think that Bible and key really work, viewers and subscribers. So I say, I don't know what to really and truly believe when it comes down to voodoo, obi and witchcraft and anything there some of the times. You understand? Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, I even when it comes down to this thing that is known as Bible and key. So tell me if you think Bible and key really and truly works, alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a man. And in the video, the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he threatened to throw acid on a female because of certain things that the female had done. One of the reasons why I am presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because the video is being talked about on social media, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about the things that the man said in this video. And I want to say this to each and every one, that if someone do something to you that you do not like, do not try to hurt that person. I think it is best that you walk away, and if possible, try to forget about the whole thing. Now, if the situation reached to a point that can be considered to be serious, then report the matter to the police. Do not take the law into your own hands and do not try to hurt that person. Now, if the situation is about self-defense, then I think that is a different thing. So that I'm saying to you. But anyways, I want you to please bear in mind that in this video you can hear harsh language. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Jessica, you see how man I do woman nowadays and you still not here. Jessica, you take me $15,000 and not give me no. But me not go kill you, you know. Me not go kill you. I'm good thing if me buck you up. I'm good thing if me buck you up. Me I go throw a buckle of acid in your face and burn up your pretty face.
Wow.
Since you love
Jano.
can man, take man things and I want to run the bus. Me I go teach you a lesson. Me might be get 1 5 years and come back out. But me I go acid your face anytime you see you. You no need to tap take man things and not run up. You kind of walk and can everybody so, but you not get to it anywhere me buck you.
Now, my people, when I first saw the video, I wondered if the video is a publicity stunt. I wondered, you see me? But then I looked at the video again and then I wondered if the video is of something that is real viewers and subscribers. You understand? However, whether the video is of a real situation or not, I would like to say this not only to the man who you can see in the video, but to each and everyone out there, that if someone do something that you do not like, do not try to hurt that person. And if the situation really and truly is at a point that is considered to be very serious, report it to the police. See? Yeah, so if someone take your money, report it to the police and let the police know what happened. Don't take the law into your own hands. Don't try to hurt that person. Alright? Now, when it comes down to a video that is circulating in certain places on social media that shows when a person pointed something that is believed to be a gun at a person's head while the person was in a certain position, and I also got the understanding that the video is circulating in certain places on social media with certain allegations behind the video. Now, I got information that when it comes on to that video that is circulating in certain places on social media, a female had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica with extortion and public mischief, and it is believed that the female might have faked her own kidnapping. See? Now, I got information that a female had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica with extortion and creating public mischief after she allegedly conspired with her accomplices to give the impression that she had been kidnapped. See? Yes, so according to information that I got, it is said that the female is in her 20s. I'm not going to give you the female name, viewers and subscribers. And allegations are that sometime before after 4 p.m. on the 4th of July, the year 2022, the female allegedly falsely conspired with her accomplices by stating that she had been kidnapped while demanding money from her family members for her release. See? You hear me, say, my people? So allegedly, it is said that the female sent a video footage to her family members. Did you hear what I said? Allegedly, it is said that the female sent a video footage to her family members. See? And the video footage shows when a person pointed something that is believed to be a gun at the female's head. And when her demands were not met, it is said that the female reported that she was released on Spanish Town Road, that's within a Kingston, Jamaica address. See? So it is said that an investigation was launched and it was theorized that the allegations were false. So after that, it is said that she was arrested and interviewed in the presence of her attorney. And after that, it is said that she was charged. You see? Now, some of these information that I got are from the police within the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. You understand? See, I didn't get any confirmed information if any court date had been set in viewers and subscribers. No, I did not. You understand? I mean, I don't want to jump to no conclusion. But my people, yes, when I first saw the video, I said to myself, I said, John, I wonder if this girl is alright. I wonder if she's alright. That me I said to myself, you know, me I say, I want to Jamaica, what make so much of them things happen in Jamaica? See? Yeah, I may try to do some research when it comes on to that video, I try to find out what happened to that female there, what happened, me watch news, me read, me do this, me do all kind of sitting and research, and then me get information that a woman had been charged with extortion and public mischief. So me I say, no, I don't want to jump to no conclusion of viewers and subscribers, you understand? Yeah, I rather wait until me get some confirmed information to determine if the female really and truly fake her own kidnapping, as well some people might say, you understand? Yeah, because they say a person innocent until proven guilty. You see it? Especially when it comes down to the courthouse system. You see it? So, me rather wait until certain things happen before me can say, okay, that happened or that happened, viewers and subscribers. But me I give the information according to how I got the information, right? They said that the female had been charged with extortion and public mischief. So me I say, so let's see how this whole situation end. You know what I mean? Yeah, let's see what happens when it comes down to this whole situation. My people, I hope that this video was informative. Big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what I think about the things that I told you. Let me know what I think about those videos that I presented to you. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.